Welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will share with you how to get a refund for your Hostinger Horizons web app builder. First, log in to your Hostinger account. Then click on this little icon from this corner at the bottom. To arrive at the same page, you can also click on it from here, from the top right corner as this help icon. Now, when you arrive at this page, select your topic, for example, billing. Select the subscription. Here, this is my subscription for Hostinger Horizons. I have the Explorer plan. Click on Start a live chat. And then this window will pop up. Click on this Send us a message. First, you will be welcomed with this AI agent called Cody. By the way, refunds for Hostinger Horizons cannot be you can't get it from this AI agent. So first, ask him to, for example, please connect me to a real human. After asking it this question, he will contact you. You will wait for a real contact support agent. And after that, I will not send this message because I don't need a refund. I'm here just explaining this. After you get connected to a real human, ask him, please, I want a refund for my Hostinger Horizons subscription. You may add a reason, for example, I didn't use it or something like that, but I recommend you to stick to just I want a refund. If he needs a reason, then he will ask you for it. After accepting your refund request, you may have to wait, I think, 1 to 3 minutes, for example. Then he will reply with your refund request is done, and you have to wait, I think, up to 3 days for the bank for this refund to show up on your bank account. Before I continue this tutorial, I want to let you know that you can get access to my online course called Mastering Hostinger Horizons today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger Horizons. You will see what is Hostinger Horizons exactly. Then we will see what's the difference between web apps and websites or mobile apps. You will also see how to sign up and access the Horizon dashboard, the possibilities and restrictions inside Horizons, also mobile editing and FAQ. After that, and inside building your first web app, I will share with you how to create web apps like a budget app, a recipe app, or even a travel organizer. And we will also see in-depth examples like how to create a community web app or even a habits tracker or a fitness web app. After that, I will share with you how to publish your web app by connecting it to a domain, a subdomain, also SEO settings to start getting traffic from Google or search engines. Then we will jump to advanced features and integrations like how to add a database to your web app or even how to test your web app. After that, we will see how to fix common errors, then how to monetize your web app by accepting credit card payments or promote your own web app. If you want to get access to all of this plus my other online courses today for free, just go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue our video. Now, here are the main rules for getting a refund for your Hostinger Horizon subscription. 1. You must request the refund within 30 days from the date you purchased the Hostinger Horizon plan. 2. Hostinger may decline refunds in some cases. For example, if the plan was not used as intended or if there is abuse. Some examples where refunds are usually not approved include you used most of your credits and exported the app code. 3. You already got one refund, bought another plan, and are now asking for a second refund. So to sum it up, refunds are possible for your Hostinger Horizon subscription, but only within the first 30-day window and only through live chat support, and make sure the usage follows the terms. Otherwise, the refund may be denied. That's all for this video. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below and see you in the next video.